Hey there, and welcome to Volume's Interactive Schedules tutorial series. In this first video, we're going to explore how to create your very first interactive schedule, and guess what? You have 3 different ways to do it. So let's jump right in. First, head over to the left menu and click on Specifications, then select Interactive Schedule from the submenu. You'll see a list of all your interactive schedules. Now, let's talk about those 3 creation options. Option 1. Starting from scratch. This is perfect when you want complete control from the beginning. Click on Create New Interactive Schedule and you'll get a blank canvas. Here you can customize your date and time settings, super important for tracking when things were created and updated. You can also select your preferred languages, which is a lifesaver if you're working with multilingual teams. Option 2. Using a template. This is our personal favorite when we're in a hurry. If your company has pre-saved templates, like ones for doors, windows, furniture, or finishes, you can just select one and boom, you're halfway done. All the structure is already there, you just need to fill in your project-specific details. Option 3. Creating from your working set specifications. Go to your working set, select the specifications you want to include in your schedule, and then click to add them to a new interactive schedule. Click the Add button to complete the process, and you've got yourself a custom schedule based on exactly what you need. Before we wrap up this video, let us quickly mention a few important concepts you need to know. First up, visibility and access rights. By default, your schedules are public, meaning all project members can see them. But if you need privacy, you can set them to private and control exactly who has access. Second, roles. There are 2 main roles in interactive schedules, administrator and editor. As an administrator, you have full control. You can create, edit, cancel tables, assign users, and manage columns and attributes. Editors, on the other hand, can edit the content like modifying specification attributes, but they can't change the structure or manage permissions. And finally, attribute columns. These are the customizable columns that make your schedule work for your specific needs. Whether you're scheduling windows, furniture, or floors, you'll want different attributes. We'll dive deeper into these in a later video, but just know they're completely customizable. Alright, that's your foundation. In the next video, we'll explore structure and items in detail.